Welcome to the Learning and Development Channel, where you can learn, lead, and make a difference.
How to make an application of education. The Department of Education has issued DepEd Order Number 7, Series of 2023, the guidelines on recruitment, selection, and appointment in the Department of Education, which outlines the process for the recruitment, selection, and placement of personnel in the Department of Education. In this DepEd order, the application of learning and development, the application of education are criteria in the recruitment, selection, and appointment of personnel to school administration, related teaching and non-teaching positions. This video will guide you in the procedure and the documentary requirements for the application of education. Later on, we will also make videos on how to make application of learning, the Re-Entry Action Plan, and School Leadership Development Program. So the highest premium is given to an application of education or intervention made by the applicant that is relevant and applicable to the position to be filled. Relevant intervention is described as the intervention that is directly applicable to the functional unit where the position applied for is large. An intervention is described to be applicable if it can be used in the operations of the functional unit based on its office mandates in the official DepEd office functions or office orders for the creation of the functional unit. Usually, it is based on the compendium. If the intervention made by the applicant does not meet the criteria to be relevant, then said intervention shall be considered and be given corresponding points using the rubrics for not relevant. In the DepEd order, you will get 10 points if all the MOVs are present. This includes the action plan approved by the head of office, the accomplishment report verified by the head of office, and C, certification of the utilization adoption signed by the head of office. So if all MOVs are present and it is considered as relevant, you will get 10 points. If only A and B, 7 points. If only A is 5 points. If it is not relevant, 5 points. If all MOVs are present, then only A and B, 3 points. Only A, 1 point. So there are only 3 certifications or MOVs that are needed. However, depending on the division offices, because they can create ground rules, but based on the DepEd order, ito lang ang kailangan, but there are divisions who ask for other templates because there are different templates pertaining to the divisions. So in this case, in our example, mayroon tayong sariling template na sinusunod. First, we will discuss that the application of education must be anchored on the TOR or the transcript of records, because it is said that the application of education is the contribution of the applicant in the workplace as a result of learning from the earned education. So in this case, ang kanyang education ay nagmumula sa application of education ay nagmumula sa subject na ADLM H06, Transforming Education Through Emerging Technologies. So we have here an example of the application on education action plan. You have there the name, the position title, the workstation, the school division office, the region, the service provider, then the program or course title. So the title here in this example is the application of education in ADLM H06, Transforming Education Through Emerging Technologies. So then you have the course date, if applicable only. Then you have the first column, the workplace development objective. Then the situationnaire in the second column, the date of implementation, the expected output, the expected beneficiaries, success indicators, and then the remarks. So in this example, the workplace development objectives is to adopt technology-based innovations, including ICT, to strengthen shared accountability and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Situationer. The proponent was enrolled in the course EDLM 806, Transforming Education through Emerging Technologies, which provides students with the needed competencies in the process of transforming teaching and learning through the integration and application of sophisticated learning technologies within the context of the country's education practice and policy. The date of the implementation was August 2023 onwards, and then the expected output, number 1, is to prepare an innovation proposal on the establishment of a channel. Expected beneficiaries, supervisors, school heads, master teachers, teachers, and learners. Success indicators, approve innovation proposal, the remarks and the remarks of the MOV's activity documentation report or the accomplishment report. Okay, so this is the continuation of the parts on the application of education, and then it must be signed by the proponent. In this case, the proponent is at the regional office, so he is having the recommending approval is the assistant regional director, and the approval is the regional director. Then after that, you will have to submit the accomplishment report. This is an example of an accomplishment report. Template, the application of education in EDLM 806, Transforming Education through Emerging Technologies. Then you have the day, the target, the output, and then the accomplishment. Then you have prepared by, approved by your head of office. So for example, in this accomplishment report on July 20, 2023, the proponent has prepared an innovation proposal on the establishment of a channel, and then the output was signed innovation proposal. Then in August 22, they launched the channel, and then the output was the launching of the channel. Then August 30, the creation of educational videos. Then the output is the created educational videos. And then the September 2023 onwards, sustain the creation of educational content. So that is the accomplishment report. And then you will have another form, which is the certification, which certifies that the application of education was really utilized and adopted at the office, signed by the regional director or the head of office. So we will, in the succeeding videos, we will also discuss how to create the application of learning and development, as well as the creation of learning action plan. If you have questions, you may ask through this comment section below.
Like and subscribe to the L&D channel on YouTube using the link youtube.com/@learn2lead channel. For more information, visit our NAIAP Region 8 official Facebook page at facebook.com/NAIAPR08.